In this video, we'll show you to fix Fortnite crashing on PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if Fortnite keeps crashing on your PC, it usually comes down to broken files, drivers, wrong settings, or something conflicting in the background. So we're gonna go through all the main fixes, step by step. So if you wanna fix your Fortnite, just follow along and test the game after each one. Alright, most of the time, Fortnite crashing is because there is some corruptions in the game file. So to fix that, you can open up your Epic Games launcher, and then you want to go to your library and look for Fortnite. Now click the three dots on the right, and then go to Manage. And here you'll have option to verify files. Just click verify, and it will scan every file and re-download everything that's missing or corrupted. Click on it. It'll start verifying and then fix your game. After it's done, you can try to launch Fortnite again and see if that fixes it. Usually this fixes it right away. If it doesn't though, we're gonna fix Easy Anti-Cheat, which is the Fortnite anti-cheat. Because if this breaks, Fortnite usually won't even stay open. So you wanna go to Fortnite install location. If you don't know where it is, on Epic Games Launcher, go to library and look for Fortnite, click the three dots and go to manage again, and then click this folder icon and click this folder icon to go to your Fortnite directory. Once you're here, you want to go to Fortnite game, and then binaries, Win64, and then Easy Anti-Cheat. Inside this folder, look for Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup.exe, and you want to right click on it, and then click show more options, send to, and create a shortcut to your desktop. So here it is. Now you want to move it back to that folder. So let's drag it into the folder like that, and there we go. Now right click on this shortcut and go to properties. In the target section, the end of the text here, you want to add repair, just like that. Now just hit apply and hit OK. And then double click the shortcut and it'll start fixing your Easy Anti-Cheat. After it's done, go back to Epic Games Launcher and launch Fortnite and see if that fixes it. Alright, now let's talk about drivers, because outdated drivers are one of the reasons for crashes, so make sure you update your GPU drivers. If you have NVIDIA GPU, you can go to nvidia.com, and once you're here, on the top right, click on drivers, and then you can get automatic driver updates, or you can manually search it. So just select your GPU and then your system, and click find and install the latest one on your PC. If you have AMD GPU, you can go to amd.com. It's gonna be the same. You go to resources and support, and then on the download section, under graphics, AMD and chipsets, click on drivers and download the auto detect and install it automatically, or you can also manually search it. And if you're using Intel GPU, you can go to intel.com and then go to support on the top, and under drivers and downloads, you can click auto update your drivers and download Intel driver and support assistant. After you update your GPU drivers, make sure to restart your PC and then try to launch Fortnite again and see if it still crashes. The next thing you can try is to run Fortnite as administrator. To do that, just look for Fortnite shortcut, or you can search through the start menu, and then you want to right click on it, hit properties, and then go to compatibility tab, and here check run this program as administrator, and then hit apply and hit OK and launch Fortnite like usual. Alright, next we're gonna set Fortnite to high performance, especially if you're using a laptop. So you can open the Windows setting, just click the start menu and then go to settings, and then on the left you want to go to system and then display, scroll down and go to graphics. Here type in Fortnite on the search list. If you don't have it like me here, you can click add desktop app and then select Fortnite executable file. If you don't know where, you can go back to Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots, manage, and then click the folder icon, and here, go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, scroll down, and there it is. So just copy this path, just click on it, right click, and hit copy, and then paste it here, like that. And then you want to select Fortnite client, Win64 shipping.exe, hit add, and there we go. Now you have Fortnite on the list. Expand the drop down, and here for the GPU preference, you want to select high performance. Let's go and do that. And there we go. This forces your system to use your main GPU instead of default or power saving modes. Alright, for some cases, your PC might not be able to handle Fortnite. So to avoid that, you can try to close as many unused apps as possible, especially your browsers. Don't play Fortnite while watching YouTube, for example. You can press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open up Task Manager, and here close as many unused apps as you can. Just right click on it and hit End Task. Alright, if you reach this point, you follow along all the method I showed you, and your Fortnite still crashes, your final option is to reinstall Fortnite. You have to re-download it, which is annoying, but this is all you can do. So on the Epic Games Launcher, click the three dots on the right and hit uninstall, and then re-download Fortnite from scratch. Those are all the ways to fix Fortnite crashing on PC. Go through them one by one, and one of these should fix your problem. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.